Are you passionate about financial technology and looking for innovative ways to enter the e-money landscape? Then buckle up, because today we're diving into the top 10 e-money ideas set to transform the digital finance space. Kicking things off at number 1, we have digital payment solutions. As the world continues to shift towards cashless transactions, the opportunity to develop a seamless app or service for online payments and money transfers is hotter than ever. Next in line at number 2, we delve into the world of cryptocurrencies. Imagine launching a cryptocurrency exchange platform, a bustling marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade various digital currencies. The potential in this sector is simply staggering. At number 3, think about the creation of a mobile wallet app. Such apps have become indispensable for managing and securely transacting digital currencies. Remember, a user-friendly interface is paramount. Sliding into the 4th spot, we have the peer-to-peer lending platform. This concept revolves around connecting lenders and borrowers in the digital realm, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional lending systems. Number 5 brings us to blockchain consulting services. With more businesses exploring the benefits of blockchain technology, your expertise could guide them towards secure and transparent transactions. At number 6, we enter the fascinating world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. By creating an NFT marketplace, you open a window for artists and creators to tokenize and sell their digital assets. This realm is not just exciting but expanding at an incredible pace. For our 7th idea, how about launching a platform dedicated to educating the masses about digital currencies, blockchain, and financial technology? The thirst for knowledge in this field is real, and you could be the fountain they're seeking. Number 8 takes us to the concept of an online remittance service. You could help users send money internationally, offering lower fees and faster transaction times than traditional methods. At number 9, we have the cryptocurrency investment platform. Imagine offering users a comprehensive tool for managing their crypto portfolios, complete with features like portfolio management and automated trading. Finally, rounding off our list at number 10, consider offering freelance services tailored for the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Be it content creation, marketing, development, or advisory services, there's a substantial demand for specialized skills in this area. And there you have it, the top 10 e-money ideas that could potentially revolutionize the digital finance world. If this video piqued your interest, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, here's to your success in the world of digital finance. Happy innovating!